Hey friends, welcome back. My name's Heather and today I'm going to be sharing my healthy orange jello salad recipe.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now.
So to make our orange jello salad, it comes together with just a few ingredients, and I love this recipe because it's not your standard jello package. We're making it from scratch. It's super simple and we're making it even better for you. And our better for you products start with our Perfect Supplements grass-fed bovine gelatin, and that is what gives us the gelatin situation to our jello. It helps to thicken our liquid and gives you that classic jello texture. And we're gonna make it even better while we incorporate Perfect Acerola, which comes from the acerola cherries. It is super high in vitamin C, even more than oranges. So this is a vitamin C packed recipe and it tastes super delicious. We're gonna make a coconut whipped cream to go with it, so it's completely dairy free. We sweeten with just a tiny bit of honey. You could omit that as well and just have the orange juice be your natural sweetener. So it could come together with just 4 or 5 ingredients. I can't wait to show you how it comes together. And then after the quick how-to, let's chat about the benefits of gelatin and gelatin versus collagen. To make the jello, you're gonna start by heating up 2 cups of the orange juice just until it boils and then set it aside. Next, add your orange juice, the gelatin, and the acerola into a bowl and mix it together. You can let that sit for a little bit and then sit. And then after that, you're gonna add your warm orange juice in, along with a little bit of honey that you're going to add. The honey is gonna melt right in with that warm orange juice. Get that stirred up and all combined. Pour that into your dish that you want to chill it in. And then as that chills, we're gonna make our coconut cream. So you're gonna take the cream from the canned coconut milk, and you're gonna take that and add that into a mixing bowl. Add a little bit of honey and whisk it all up until it's nice and fluffy. Then you're gonna put that whipped cream on your chilled orange jello and top that, add some cute little oranges, and it's good to go. My family loved this. It not only was fun, it tasted delicious, and I felt so good just serving it because I knew that it had natural sweetness from the orange juice and the little bit of honey that we added. We're getting the amazing benefits of gelatin in our jello. And then of course I love the coconut whipped cream. We're getting some extra fat. And so it's not a dessert that is just purely sugar, leaving my kiddos with a sugar crash. I love to help that to get a little more balanced, adding some protein or some fat. So this is just a fantastic dessert or a snack to incorporate, and I would just serve it along with their meals, and they thought it was so fun. I knew that it was filled with such yummy, good for them ingredients. Now let's take a second to chat about the difference between gelatin and collagen and some of their benefits. So let's first start with their differences. They both come from cooking down the bone and turning that into a collagen powder. I love how Perfect Supplements explains it on their website. They come from the same product. Imagine an apple and applesauce. Your collagen would be the apple, and then it gets cooked down a little more and it turns into the applesauce. So they have the same nutritional benefits and the same benefits, but the difference is that gelatin is going to thicken the liquids that it goes into, which is really great if you want to make gummies or a jello or use it to thicken up a cheesecake, which is what I'm going to be doing very soon. Some of my favorite benefits of collagen and gelatin are for your hair, your nails, your skin, and then also for your gut health. It's so good at lining the gut and helping to heal your gut and keep it nice and healthy as well. Those are some of my favorite benefits for collagen and gelatin. I'd love to know if you incorporate that into your diet, and if you try this recipe, can you let me know how it goes for you? Snap a picture, send it over to me on Instagram at FitMamaRealFood, and I would love to see it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and go check out Perfect Supplements down below. You'll be able to find the entire recipe along with their products. I love working with them. They're such a fantastic company and they make wonderful, upstanding products. So go and check those out below. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure to subscribe so that I can see you again very soon. Bye.